Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am providing you a step-by-step guide on how to recover your deleted hardware data. As you know, losing data from a hardware can be a distressing experience, whether it's due to accidental deletion, hardware failure, or other unforeseen issues. The potential loss of valuable files can be a nightmare. However, the good news is that data recovery techniques have advanced significantly, allowing for increased chances of successful retrieving lost data from hard drives. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of recovering hardware data step by step. Case usage and evaluate the situation. The first step in data recovery is to stop using affected hard drive immediately. Continued use could potentially overwrite the lost data, making recovery more difficult. Take the hard drive out of your system if possible and assess the extent of the issue. Determine whether the problem is due to a physical damage, logical corruption, or accidental deletion. Choose the right recovery method. Depending on the cause of data loss, you may need to employ different recovery methods. There are two methods. First, software-based recovery. If data loss is due to accidental deletion or logical corruption, consider using data recovery software. There are various reputable options available and various softwares available in market such as Recova, AceUS, Data Recovery, Wizard, and TestDisk. Install the software on the separate drive to avoid overwriting data on the affected drive. Physical recovery. If the hard drive can has suffered physical damage such as a mechanical failure or a dropped drive, the best course of action is to contact a professional data recovery service. Attempting to recover data from physically damaged drive without the proper expertise can exacerbate the problem. Create a clone of the drive. Before attempting any recovery options, it's essential to create a clone of the affected hard drive. This helps preserve the original drive state and ensure that any recovery attempts do not further damage the original data. Use data recovery software. If the data loss is due to accidental deletion, formatting, or logical corruption, data recovery software can be a powerful tool. Follow these steps. Install the chosen data recovery software on a separate drive. Connect the cloned drive to a different computer to avoid overwriting data. Run the software and follow the prompts to scan the recoverable files. Once the scan is complete, review the recovered files and select the ones you want to restore. There are many data recovery software are in the market. You can choose any software for for the data recovery. Seek professional help for physical damage. If the hard drive has suffered physical damage such as clicking noise, failure to spin, or visible damage to the drive's component. It's crucial to seek professional assistance. Data recovery experts have the specialized tools and clean room environments necessary to repair the recovery data from physically damaged. If the drive is physically damaged, then you have to contact a data recovery service for recover your data. Prevention and regular backups. The best way to deal with data loss is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Regularly backing up your data to an external drive. You have to make a backup of your important data and important files like many networks, cloud storage, or a network attached storage device can save you from the stress of data recovery. Schedule automated backups and verify the integrity of your backups files periodically. Learn from the experience. Data loss can be a learning opportunity. Reflect on what caused the data loss and take steps to avoid similar situations in the future. Educate yourself on the best practices for data management, security, and backups strategies to minimize the risk of data loss. When your data is lost, you have to make your backup for recovery of your data. Conclusion. The process of recovering data from a hard drive involves carefully evaluation, appropriate recovery methods, and precautionary measures to prevent further damage, whether the data loss is due to logical corruption or physical damage. Taking the right steps and seeking professional assistance when necessary can significantly increase the chances of successful data recovery. Remember to always have a backup plan in place to safeguard your valuable files and memories. You have to make a backup. It's an important solution of your data recovery. If you want to recover your data, thank you for watching this full video. Hope you understand the video.